Abby of Abby Tells Pet Services, dog trainer here. Started to spit outside, so I thought I'd do another video to upload shortly. And I've had a lot of people posting on various dog pages on Facebook, and people have mentioned to me in passing about dogs and loud noises, specifically fireworks. Now I know here they're not that common until the autumn, although they do happen now and again, but it can relate to thunder, which England has been having quite a bit, but I do have a few clients over in other countries that are actually experiencing fireworks at the moment. So this video actually relates to my video entitled Dealing with Excessive Barking, and it uses the same method, but I thought I'd do a separate video because I know some people just want to be like, what do I do in fireworks and loud noises? So, like with excessive barking, say thank you. They're alerting you to a danger if they're barking. If they're going, oh my gosh, there's fireworks, or oh my gosh, there's thunder, say thank you and be sincere. Thank you. Yeah. If they do it again, go to look in the direction of the thing that they're barking at, or where they are. You can't see thunder, obviously, although you can see lightning. But look at the direction, say thank you again. If they continue, then you just pop them away into isolation or timeout, as it were. I say isolation more, but some people prefer to say timeout. Now, that method will work. You wait until they're calm, and then you let them back in. Ignore them like you would after a separation, discussed in my other videos, mainly dealing with separation anxiety and establishing yourself and maintaining the role of leader. It's another video as well. But it's best to work on the thank you method and work on being calm in general with your dog, so that you don't have to resort to this, because if you just started using the thank you method when fireworks were around or thunder, then they wouldn't necessarily understand that they are in a safe space if they're popped away. So the best thing I can tell you when it comes to loud noises is, that includes fireworks, stay calm. If you're calm and collected, they are way more likely to be calm and collected too. So don't go and cuddle them and give them reassurance. Reassure them by showing them that there is nothing to worry about, so don't react. So last firework night or week, when I was living in Birmingham, I happened to have the Great British Bake Off on because I was watching it at the time. Kept me nice and calm. I think I was doing some admin at the same time, and prior to this, Nellie was terrified of fireworks, loud noises, due to her past life. But last firework period, she was amazing. And then there's a picture on my page from last year, my Facebook page, where they're literally just lying down. They're completely at ease. Nellie's on her back, how she lies when she's nice and calm. Zena's on her side, same thing. Zena doesn't really lie on her back, and they're just chilling. I didn't put any specific music on. I didn't put any. I didn't give them any medication. I didn't put any specific diffusers in. I didn't try and barricade us in. I even had the window open at one point. And because I was calm and because I wasn't making a fuss, they were calm. Now what I will say is, it is, and I know I'm going to be repeating myself here, is put this approach into practice before bonfire night. So yes, if thunder's coming, fabulous, use it, but it's best to do this with any noise. So motorbikes, dog barking, something in the garden, the postman. Just use the thank you method and keep yourself calm. And then when it actually does come around some thunder or fireworks, then they understand that everything is okay, and they understand what is expected of them, which is to just stay calm, and they'll use their own self-control instead of having to be subdued by putting imposing our will on them, which is what some people do. And yes, it may work for that particular moment, but that's not going to work in the long run. You want your dog to feel nice, calm, and safe. So yes, there's dogs, fireworks and thunder, and any other outdoor or indoor stimuli that makes them think there is perceived danger on the horizon. So just keep nice and calm, thank them. Isolation if you need to. Please contact me via the comments on YouTube, or get in contact with me directly via my website or my Facebook page, which is like my YouTube channel titled Abigail's Pet Services, for any further questions. See you later. Keep safe. Bye.